Imagine the universe not as silent, empty space, but as a vast ancient highway where mysterious visitors sometimes pass through. What if these aren't just random cosmic wanderers, but deliberate signals? In 2017, humanity witnessed something extraordinary for the very first time, an event that shattered our understanding of interstellar travel and ignited a profound, unsettling question. Are we truly alone? Or are we merely blind to the signs that we are being observed? A strange object burst into our solar system from the depths of interstellar space. Astronomers peering through their powerful telescopes in Hawaii spotted a rapidly moving anomaly. It was traveling at such an incredible speed that it simply could not have originated from within our own cosmic neighborhood. This was officially the first interstellar traveler ever detected, and they named it Oumuamua, a Hawaiian word meaning the first messenger or a scout. But here lies the profound mystery, a puzzle that continues to baffle and intrigue the scientific community. This messenger did not behave like any asteroid or comet we had ever seen before. Its trajectory was peculiar, its shape unprecedented, and its behavior defied all known natural explanations. It accelerated, gaining speed as it journeyed away from the sun, even though it had no visible engine, no telltale gas tail, nothing to explain this inexplicable push. Its estimated length was about 400 meters, roughly the size of a towering skyscraper, yet it was incredibly thin. Its shape was extremely elongated, perhaps like a cigar or maybe even a flat disc, depending on the angle of the sunlight reflecting off its surface. This unusual geometry, combined with its inexplicable acceleration, immediately raised red flags among astronomers. If you saw a rock in the sky suddenly accelerating for no discernible reason, would you not also think something was profoundly wrong, something beyond the ordinary? The lack of a comet tail was particularly perplexing. Comets, as they approach the sun, heat up, causing ice and dust to sublimate and form a visible tail. This outgassing can also provide a small propulsive force, but Oumuamua had no such tail, no evidence of outgassing, yet it was accelerating. There was no gravitational assist from a planet, no natural explanation for its increasing velocity. It was as if an invisible hand was gently yet persistently pushing it along its path. At this pivotal moment, Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb stepped into the spotlight, daring to ask a question that many in the scientific community found uncomfortable. He posed a simple yet revolutionary query. Why are we so quick to reject the possibility that it might be artificial? He suggested that Oumuamua's behavior was consistent with that of a solar sail, a hypothetical spacecraft propelled by the pressure of sunlight. If his hypothesis held true, then humanity had just witnessed an alien probe for the very first time, a silent, distant visitor from another civilization. The scientific community, as expected, split into two distinct camps. Some vehemently dismissed Loeb's idea, labeling it as pure fantasy or sensationalism, clinging to the comfort of known astrophysical phenomena. Others, however, while cautious, admitted that the complete absence of a comet tail and the undeniable, unexplained acceleration truly were puzzling anomalies that defied conventional explanations. What about you? If you heard that an object behaved in a way no natural body ever had, would you really dismiss the alien possibility so easily? Or would a seed of doubt begin to sprout in your mind? 2 years later, in 2019, another interstellar traveler appeared on our cosmic radar. This was 2I Borisov, discovered by the keen eye of amateur astronomer Gennady Borisov. Unlike its enigmatic predecessor, Oumuamua, this object behaved exactly like a normal comet. It possessed the expected characteristics: a visible coma of gas, a dusty trail, and a bright, unmistakable tail. Its trajectory and behavior were entirely consistent with what astronomers would predict for a natural interstellar comet. The discovery of Borisov, while less mysterious than Oumuamua, confirmed something monumentally significant. Interstellar objects are not rare. Isolated accidents, mere statistical anomalies. They exist, and they are indeed capable of traversing the vast distances between star systems, sometimes passing through our cosmic neighborhood. This realization shifted our perspective, moving interstellar visitors from the realm of theoretical possibility to observed reality. But consider this profound implication. After thousands of years of diligently watching the skies, meticulously mapping celestial bodies, we suddenly detected two distinct interstellar visitors in just a few short years. Is this merely a remarkable coincidence? A statistical fluke? Or could it be the subtle emergence of a discernible pattern? A hint that something more profound is at play? The universe, after all, rarely operates on mere chance when patterns begin to repeat. And now, in 2025, the plot thickens even further. Astronomers have announced the discovery of 3I Atlas, the third interstellar object detected in less than a decade. This rapid succession of discoveries is unprecedented in human history. And once again, 3I Atlas presents its own unique characteristics, different from both Oumuamua's enigmatic nature and Borisov's conventional cometary behavior. Each new visitor adds another layer to the cosmic puzzle, challenging our assumptions and pushing the boundaries of our understanding. At this juncture, Avi Loeb, ever the provocateur, spoke out again, his voice resonating with renewed conviction. He suggested that perhaps we are not just observing random cosmic debris. Maybe, just maybe, we are under observation. He posited that these objects are not simply inert rocks, but sophisticated probes, sent by an intelligence far beyond our comprehension. The idea is unsettling, yet compelling, forcing us to confront the possibility of a universe teeming with life and perhaps with curious observers. Imagine someone ringing your doorbell not once, but 3 times in a relatively short span. Would you still dismiss it as random chance, or would you begin to suspect a deliberate intention, a message, or perhaps a persistent visitor? The appearance of Oumuamua, Borisov, and now Atlas in such quick succession compels us to consider the possibility of a deliberate sequence, a program of exploration unfolding right before our very eyes. Suppose for a moment that Oumuamua was indeed the first scout, a reconnaissance mission to assess our star system. Then Borisov could be interpreted as the second survey, a more conventional, perhaps automated follow-up. And if this pattern holds, then Atlas might represent the next step in a grand program of interstellar exploration, a systematic investigation of star systems like our own. Perhaps these probes are being sent to every star system, a vast network of cosmic surveillance. Or perhaps more chillingly, they are specifically targeting our solar system, drawn by something unique about Earth or its inhabitants. The real pressing question is, why now? Why are we suddenly seeing so many of these interstellar objects in such a short period, after millennia of apparent silence? Could it be that humanity has finally reached a stage of technological development, a level of radio emissions or space exploration, where we have become detectable, interesting enough to warrant investigation by an advanced civilization? The thought is both terrifying and exhilarating, suggesting that our very existence might be under scrutiny. If these objects are truly alien probes, the consequences for humanity would be enormous, reshaping every facet of our civilization. First, the very foundation of science would change forever. We would finally possess irrefutable proof that intelligent life exists beyond Earth, shattering our anthropocentric view of the cosmos. This single discovery would ignite a new era of scientific inquiry, pushing us to understand the nature of this life and its intentions. Second, the geopolitical landscape would explode into unprecedented chaos and collaboration. Some nations would undoubtedly clamor to make contact, eager to establish communication and learn from a superior intelligence. Others would insist on immediate, robust preparations for defense, fearing the unknown intentions of such visitors. The global power dynamics would shift dramatically, as humanity grappled with its new, humbling place in the cosmic hierarchy. Third, the philosophical and religious frameworks that have guided humanity for millennia would face an existential shock. Our understanding of creation, purpose, and our unique role in the universe would be challenged to its core. Humanity would be forced to rethink its place in the cosmos, moving from a position of assumed singularity to one of potential cosmic companionship, or perhaps cosmic insignificance. The very meaning of being human would be redefined. And now, imagine this chilling scenario. What if the next interstellar object, the fourth messenger, does not just fly past our solar system? What if it changes course deliberately directly toward Earth? The implications of such an event are almost too vast to comprehend, moving from scientific curiosity to an immediate global existential crisis. Would it be a benevolent arrival, a hostile invasion, or simply a curious, indifferent observation? Of course, it is entirely possible that all of this speculation is just that. Speculation. Perhaps Oumuamua, Borisov, and Atlas are merely space debris, cosmic rubble drifting endlessly through the void, a natural consequence of galactic processes. And then here we are, panicking over what are, in essence, giant space pebbles. The thought is almost comical, a testament to our human tendency to find patterns where none exist. But even if they are just cosmic rocks, their sudden appearance in such quick succession is still a remarkable statistical anomaly, a cosmic coincidence that demands our attention. And even that scenario would give us legendary memes, a shared cultural experience of cosmic bewilderment. Imagine humanity terrified not of invading aliens, but of inexplicably accelerating space bricks. The absurdity itself is a form of cosmic humor. Oumuamua, Borisov, Atlas. Three messengers from the darkness, each one challenging us to ask the most profound question of all. Are we truly alone in this vast, silent universe, or are we simply too blind, too preoccupied to notice that we are being watched? If they have come once, they can certainly come again. And the next encounter, the next cosmic doorbell ring, could become the greatest, most transformative event in human history, forever altering our destiny. So, what do you believe? Were these merely stones, random cosmic flotsam, or were they the first probes of an alien civilization? A silent, persistent signal that we are not alone. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more cosmic mysteries, and join me for the next What If video, where we will explore an even stranger scenario that challenges our perception of reality.